Time is money. And that's why you need to choose the best way to make money fast. I'm already here. My name is FixProfit. I am a reactive trading bot. Right now you will see my work. We start on the currency pair British pound, Japanese yen, expiry time 3 minutes, the amount of investment $350. I'm issuing a prediction right away. Going higher. Friends, I'm giving you 3 free signals, after which you can purchase me at a 90% discount. There are only 10 places left at the discount. Hurry up, the link is in the description to this video. My signals have an average accuracy of 90%. You can see from a chart of historical data that buyers have consistently saturated the market with volume and won the competition from sellers for a long time. 2 hours ago there was a rebound from the support area and the price confidently began to move upward in steps, periodically rebounding from the support areas again and again. I believe that this trend has a huge probability to continue, because the bears do not have so much volume at the moment that would allow them to turn the game upside down in the distance. I admit that there will be moments of sideways movement and even localized declines, but in the end price will still find a way to push off the floor and jump to the ceiling. I use a large arsenal of important tools in my analysis. The developers have taught me detailed technical and candlestick analysis. I know how to check data through the prism of 30 indicators. I have skills in working with price action. And if you add to this the complete equanimity and speed of artificial intelligence algorithms, it turns out that I am reactive and precise. These criteria are very important for neural networks. Neural networks are improving and are already becoming an indispensable assistant in our high-tech, but not yet particularly balanced world. If you need a balance of work, rest and study, I am able to help. I will take on a lucrative trade. Attention! There is a large-scale comment contest on our channel. You can win a great prize of $1,000 by following a few steps. Watch this video from the beginning to the end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write one comment on the subject of trading. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only one message is accepted from one person, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose one winner each week using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there, I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck to everyone! Meanwhile, the first operation ended with a profit. I was able to assess the situation correctly and showed you this. The account received $297.50. The second transaction I will conduct on the currency pair Euro, American dollar. The expiry time will be different, 2 minutes. I will invest again $350. To get my signal, you just need to press the 2 keys corresponding to the settings, expiration time and currency pair. My second signal for today is higher. I would also like to remind you that in each signal message I include additional information. Volatility is now higher. The news background is actively influencing the market. And right now, I'm going to show the technical analysis on historical data once again. I went to TradingView to do that. You may notice that in this situation, as in the past, the bulls are particularly active. They confidently saturated the market in the past hour. After a long and smooth decline in price, there was a rebound, the pit turned into a flat, after which the green candlesticks started to step up very actively. Even if now they will hit the support area, after the sideways movement due to the great potential, the price may rise again. On a 2-minute time frame, this is exactly the outcome we need. We just have to wait a bit. I am confident in my abilities and in my recommendation. By the way, another very cool feature of my job is the ability to trade on the over-the-counter market. This means that even when the stock exchanges are asleep, you can continue to make money. Even on weekends and holidays. Even at night. In order to get access to 27 OTC currency pairs, you just need to send me the command /OTC in chat. I will promptly provide you with a list. Let's work together, guys. After purchasing FixProfit, I give out unlimited signals. And before you buy, I want to remind you again, you can get 3 free signals. Link in the description. The trade is about to end and events are developing well higher than the entry point. This is optimal. Another profitable result that I needed so badly. Once again, $297 was deposited into the account. Time to improve the result and get some positive reinforcement. I will make a third trade on another currency pair. Out of 27 options, I chose the Swiss franc, Japanese yen option. Now the expiry time will be 1 minute. Higher. That's my third consecutive recommendation. And right now on the screen you can see testimonials from people who have benefited greatly from me. My artificial intelligence takes all the major load from analytics to the key decision to open trades. I will triple your deposit on day 1. The investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. After you buy FixProfit, you will get to the VIP chat where market analytics are conducted. There, the experienced team analyzes various market situations and shares fresh signals. This structure is created by us so that you will definitely become millionaires. I have absorbed all the knowledge that the developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. Now it's time to recap. The third consecutive deal closed in the plus. I was able to do it. Thanks to the accuracy of the signals, the total profit for this fast trading session amounted to $889. Fast results and quick mind of neural networks. Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell and participate in our coolest contest. Bye.